Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use Hailuo AI, a tool that makes creating videos super easy with the help of AI. Let's jump in. So our first step will be open new tab. Now search for Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI. After that search it. Now click on that first website. So we will click on that. After that, we need to give a prompt. So for prompt, for example, I am giving a simple prompt like a black dragon running in a forest. After that, click on that 30 option. Like you will see that 30 and also that symbol. So you need to click on that. After that, wait a little bit. It's taking a little time. Here we go. Our video will be ready in 5 minutes. Once our video gets ready, I will show you the result. Here we go. Our video was ready. Now for checking it, I will simply click on that. Wow, result was amazing. For downloading that video, you will simply click on that right corner down download option. Just simply click on that and your download will be started. Thanks for watching.